After years of digital transformation, healthcare faces a paradox. Technology is more advanced than ever, yet clinicians often feel more burdened, not less. Electronic records and automation promised relief, but many frontline teams, especially in behavioral health, feel stretched thin. The real challenge isn't whether AI belongs in healthcare. It's how to use it without sacrificing trust, clinical judgment, or patient dignity. The most effective AI in healthcare works quietly in the background, reducing administrative tasks like documentation so clinicians can focus on patient care. It's not about replacing human expertise, but supporting it. Security is also critical, as AI systems handle sensitive patient data and must be protected from cyber threats. When used responsibly, AI can extend care beyond the clinic, improving outcomes while keeping the human connection at the center. Provision provides expert advisory services for IT asset management and procurement, specializing in cloud, telecom, AI, wireless networking, contact centers, cybersecurity, and more.